Hey video creators, today we are going to change a car's color. You can change anything with your creativity like this. First, you should add an effect to the video layer called Change to Color. Now select the color you want to change in from. Use the eyedropper for it. Change the hue value to fix the non-changing part. Change the to color to change the car color as you wish. You can add animate as changing color by adding keyframes onto like this. Select those keyframes and tap F9 so it'll be easy ease. Subscribe to get more most accessible tutorials like this.